And special thanks to our friends here, Rough Enough, who were nice enough to send us this wallet. So inside of here, little box, Rough Enough New York, very cool. So if we open this up, you can see, look at all this, wow. Free the Bears, very cool. These look like some stickers and more stickers. Nothing else there. This is essentially the wallet. As you can see, everything zips up. So like you could zip you up some cash in here if you're still in 1980 and use cash. You of course have plenty of little slots to put IDs and debit cards, credit cards, even a little change purse for your cash. And at the end of the day, folds up nicely, nice and tight Velcro. You do have this clip here, which, wow, that's some pretty good, strong clip there. And then this is even, look at that, that's got the real deal on it. Wow, that will not be coming off easily. This, of course, is great for a necklace or a strap, whatever you may want to strap this to. The options are pretty endless here. So that's essentially what comes inside of this wallet. Great for somebody who likes hiking, climbing, etc. Something where they know they're not going to lose these important items here. Thanks again to Rough Enough, who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. There's a